So Wally, this is Emmanuel, right? I'm just here to assist you with your UI UX project. So what you do is that this is a pie chart. You can see from here. I want to create a pie chart. You can see. So what you just need to do is to highlight your data. If you first create your data set on Excel, highlight it, come to insert, you come to charts. You see something like charts. So just come to all charts, you will see pie chart. Tap on pie chart and click on OK. It's as simple as that. You can see. So you can now name this maybe a pie chart of student expenses. Now. So you may delete this one if you want, and you can come here, click on this plus sign, and in this data label, click on it and click on data callouts. You can leave it like this. So in this place, you can just bold it. You may change you can just bold it. Click here, tap, and just change you see the color is coming out, so you can change the format of the color in case you don't like it, maybe to Tahoma. So this one, just tap one and maybe change it to Tahoma. That's the writing color, so you can leave it like this, and you can change the color as well. You can decide to change here to so you can change the color, you shall understand what I'm saying. So tap here. The system is angry, I don't know why. So that's this pie chart, but you can change the color. You can tap on this one and come to format. You can change the color. My system is angry, I don't know what. Column chart. So in the column chart, you highlight. Also come to insert. When you come to insert, you click on recommended charts, click on all charts and look for column chart. This is column chart. You can see it right now. So just click on OK. You can see these are column chart. If you want to format it very well, you can just tap on these small lines. You can see, just tap on one and delete it so that it looks more fine. There's a lot of things I can do here. So I can just tap on one of the bars. Look at it, I just tap on one, so it will highlight everything. I can boost this. Maybe look at the gap. This is gap width. I can reduce it so that this thing will be fat. You can see. So there's a lot I can do here. So you can change the heading to the title header. You can change it to sales. You can say sales revenue for year 2022, as the case may be. So anyhow, then this is bar chart. Highlight your bar chart. Go to insert. Always go to insert. Click on charts. Click on all charts. Then you look for bar chart. Look at bar chart here. Look at it here. So once you click on OK, you can see. So the same way, you can just tap on this and tap on this bar, and this the same way we did it now. My system is, I don't know what's the issue with this system. So you can just click here and you can see, reduce it. If you want the thing to be thinner, so you can reduce it so it looks more okay. All these places, you can come to home. You can make it black, and you can even bold itself. You can change it to Tahoma writing style. See, anyhow, number of views to black. You can change it to Tahoma or Times New Roman, anyone. You can also bold it as well. So widen the graph so that the names of those people come out. Number of views, Brother Shaggy, Mr. Funny, and the likes. So if you like, you can put your border line here. Click on this place and click on all border. It doesn't affect the graph. So then we have line graph. You can also put border line if you want. but it doesn't affect the graph like I told you. So just highlight it, highlight your data, come to chart, click on all charts, you will see line, that's line graph. Then select this last one, this last one. You can select this one too, anyone that you want, but this one is more descriptive in nature, so you can just select this one, click on OK. So you can see tickets sold. And there's a lot of things you can still do with this graph, but let's just leave it as this. So then we have do not chart. So in the do not chart, you can specify a percentage. So basically we have 100%. So you have to put the percent yourself. So and then maybe here you can leave it as 40%. Then you can create a simple formula equals to total minus this completed, that is this one minus this one. So C4, which is the total minus projects completed. So you know that anytime you want to adjust, you can always adjust this one. So if I adjust this one to 70, watch what happens. The project in progress will remain 30. You can see it right now. So I want to teach you how to create a do not chart. So just highlight, go to insert, the same thing. When you go to insert, then click on recommended chart, click on all charts, then go to pie chart. Under pie chart, you see do not chart. You can see it now. Click on it, and then click on OK. Now then you can just name here, maybe you can just name it, maybe project management. So just name your chart so that your chart will be descriptive. So good. Then so all these ones you can delete it if you want, and you can put it by the side. So you can see, you can put it at the top, you can put it by the bottom. You can see, you can put it anywhere. So you can leave it like this, or you can delete it, anyone that you wish to. You can delete it. See, if you want to do, just tap on it and just hit the delete key on your keyboard. So anyone. So this is how to create a do not chart. Now let me now teach you how to create a half do not chart. Highlight the data, go to insert, recommended chart, all charts, pie chart, do not chart. You can see, click on OK. When you click on OK now, then you can just maybe name it as progress tracker. You can see it right now, progress tracker. Tap on it and then change it to black. You can bold it. You can change the style to Tahoma. See, I just like that Tahoma writing style. This one you can delete it. So now another thing you can do is to tap on the chart. Right click, you see format data series, and you can reduce the whole size, that is, the donut will be more thicker instead of the donut to be, so you can see. So I think this one is okay. Let me look at the donut now. So another thing you can do is to probably rotate this one, anyone you want. I rotate it. I normally recommend 270. Rotate it to like 270. So then this one that is down, it's half donut. You want to remove it. So this one that is down, just double tap on it and ensure that it is the only one highlighted. Double tap. Let me show you again. If you tap on this donut, everything will be highlighted, but double tap on this down one, that is this gray one. Then come to this place, this bucket side. You can see this bucket, fill color, then fill it as white. You see, if you fill it as white, the color will not show again. You see, it has shown as half donut. Show you get. Then this first column, you will now watch it, you now test it. So let's say I increase it to like 86. So that means that this blue one is the one that is the project completed. So what will I do? I will tap on the blue one, double tap on it to ensure that it is only that blue one that is highlighted. Come here, maybe I'll change it to green. You can see, change it to green, and this other one I can change it to this other one. Double tap on it. You see, double tap, make sure that it is only one that is highlighted. Then maybe change this one to like light green. So you now see now. So these are progress tracker. So then this then you can come to view on your Excel. You will notice that this your view, there will be grid lines. When you start, there will be grid lines. So don't worry about that one. I will teach you that one. So tap on your chart, Abby. Right click on it and come to format chart area. This thing will pop up. So once it pop up, you will see this place. You see border, say no line. So you see it is not highlighted again. So that's what you select. Then come to view, then click on grid lines. You see that all the grid lines have disappeared. The thing is now white now. The next thing is to click on insert and click on text box. You see this, your cursor will change to plus. Then you drag it to give you this, and they say equal to. No, before that, once you drag it, the text box will appear. So once your text box appear, just select your text box and come to your formula bar. I take it again. Select your text box by tapping on it. You see the text box have been highlighted. Just drag it small, play with it. This is it. Then tap inside this box. Then tap on top the formula bar and press equal to. Then tap on this project completed, which is 86%. Just tap on it so that the formula will appear. Then press enter. You see that the 86 have appeared inside this text box. So then you can now small this text box. You can now make it small. So you can increase the size. So on this text box too, you can come to shape format to escape. So then you can just come here and put it here. So in this line, you say no line. Can you see? So when you tap on this place, just click on. If you click on solid line, it will be obvious that you inserted something, but we don't want anybody to know our secret. So just tap here. You can centralize it. Centralize it. This is, look at where I go to. So when you tap on this sign, let me cancel this. When you tap here, when you tap on this text box, right click on it and say format shapes. All these things will come out. Then click on no line. You can see when you click on no line, it is not obvious. Nobody knows that we inserted this thing here. Then you balance it well and increase itself. So nobody knows. So if I click here and change it to 92, what will happen? If I change it to 32, what will happen? So that's it. Thank you.